Hey guys, it's Jessica, and I'm sure I look different, definitely have different hair going on, which is interesting. Like, initially I just dyed it this lime green color, then I put like a dark green over it when I was tired of the lime green color, and now I'm getting like all different kinds of color, which is fine, it's fine. We're sticking with it. But anyway, I will have an update video. I'm literally gonna film that after this video, but this is just a Boxy Charm unboxing. I finally have a lot better, like it's still the same space, but I have a lot more room in my space to film, so I think that's gonna help a lot. I just opened the box kind of sideways, so we're just gonna dig into it and see what we see. First is a poreless gel, and it has salicylic acid in it, which I know helps with acne. Poreless skin cream, and it says smooth and balanced. It's from Coors, which I know is a good brand. So let's take a look. Also, it's so hot, so I'm sorry if you can hear the AC, but I cannot film without the AC because it is so hot. Okay, so there's a nice little pamphlet in here that I'm sure just tells us about the product. I guess these are all the steps. There's a soil lab, extraction lab, molecular lab, formula lab, design lab, recycle lab. So, I don't know, a useful information packet, I suppose. And then here is what it looks like. And I do think I might have another Coors item that I got from Boxy Charm before. It looks similar, but yeah. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like coconut, kind of like sunscreen. It kind of smells like beach. So, yeah. Let's see. I don't see any directions on it, but I'm assuming it's like a moisturizer type of deal. Alright. Next, we have a cream blush, which hopefully this is okay, because it's been really hot here, and this was on my porch for a few hours, but you know, that's fine. Okay, so this is by Dominique Cosmetics. The packaging is really, really cute. It says soft yet powerful on the mirror there, and then here is the blush. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I love that. That's a really nice color. That's like right up my alley. Okay, I'm excited to use this. Alright. Next we have Sandbar. This is a eyeshadow primer, which honestly, I love getting eyeshadow primers because it's the one thing I don't really like spending my money on. It looks white. Let's see. But yeah, it's pretty clear. Like, yeah, you can tell it's on, but once you rub it in, it's gone, you know. So there's no scent. I'm excited to try this. I have needed a new eyeshadow primer because I'm almost out of the last one that some box gave me. I think it was Glossy Box that gave me the last one, which I'm no longer subscribed to the Glossy Box just because I got a lot of stuff I probably won't use from them. Reusable eyeshadow shield from Shadow Moon, and I mean this is good. I'm assuming it just goes like here to like protect. The thing is I do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation and whatnot, so I don't really see a time where I would use this. So yeah, I'm probably going to just put this in that box that I'm gonna eventually mail my friend, so she can use it, because I'm pretty sure she would utilize it. Alright, next we have Patrick Ta mascara, which I won't open this because I already have a few that I'm working on getting through. But the packaging is really, really pretty. So I'm definitely excited to use it, and when I do finally open it and use it, I will let you guys know how I feel about it. But for now, it's just gonna stay in its box. Oh, sorry. Totally could see my bra there, but that's fine. No big deal. Okay. Ooh, Natasha Denona. Oh my gosh, it says Cupid eyeshadow palette. Oh shoot, look. Okay, I've been wanting to try Natasha Denona, and I've heard literally nothing but good things about the eyeshadows. My personal favorite, though very much he has a lot of controversy around him, is Jeffree Star's formula. I just find it to be the best to work with. So I'm definitely, I always swatch things in the worst spot. Let me like re-evaluate my whole life here. Okay, hang on. Sorry. Okay. I just did that one. My goodness. Alright, that's fine. Okay, there's what these shadows look like. They're really pretty. Honestly, like, super pigmented, very pretty. I am so excited about this. I will probably honestly use it today, even though I was wanting to do a little more of a creative eye look. I think I might just go neutral and use this baby, because I am really excited for that. Okay, you need to send me some makeup wipes because I'm out. Just a suggestion. Okay, so here is the card. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay. Holy. I just wanted to make sure I didn't forget anything. So, yeah, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, the Cupid's eyeshadow palette, this goes for $48, so I'm definitely excited about that, and I'm pretty sure that pays for the box. The mascara goes for $29, so that's what, that's $87, I believe, so far. No, $78. Wait, $77, I think, so far. And then the Dominic Cosmetics blush is $22, so we're already getting a really good value. So that brings it to $99. You know, I'm just doing some mental math I'm not good at, so who knows if I'm right. This serum here, which says gel moisturizer, so yeah, you'd put it on before your makeup. This is $36, so then we're at 99 plus 36, 127, no, $25, sorry, $125. Okay, and then the eyeshadow primer is a $28 eyeshadow primer. Oh heck yeah, I'm excited for the eyeshadow primer. So that is bringing us to, I said that was 125 plus 28, 30, so 153 I think is what we're at. Guys, feel free to ridicule my math in the comments. That's totally fine and valid, and I wouldn't blame you. And then the Shadow Moon eyeshadow shield is $15, which I'm gonna say about this, it is made really nicely. Like, it's honestly, if I would use this, I think it would be a great tool to have, and it's made really well. So I think $15 is totally worth it from just first impressions. But yeah, so as far as what I'm excited about though, this is what I'm most excited about, which is the blush for sure, and the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. Those two are like the biggest things I'm excited for. And then the eyeshadow primer I'm excited for, and the mascara I'm excited for. I'm always excited about a mascara. So 4 out of the 6 things I'm most excited about. I think that's pretty good. Boxy Charm really does kill it for me. I don't think I would come unsubscribe to Boxy Charm for quite a while, because I do really enjoy Boxy Charm as a whole. I just think it's a great service. I think it's definitely worth the money. I get the premium box. There's a box below mine that I think is like $30. I think mine is around $47. I'm not sure. And then they do have the premium box that I think they mail out quarterly, which I would be interested in getting, but like I haven't, or it's called the Luxe, but the Luxe box. I get the premium, whatever. It comes out quarterly, which I would be interested in seeing what that's all about, but I can't quite swing it yet. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm literally going to jump into doing my makeup here in a moment, which maybe I'll put the look up on YouTube, but most likely it'll be on TikTok. So yes, if you want to follow me other places, it'll all be in the description below. Thanks for hanging with me. I know I'm not very consistent at all, and I am hoping to change that. So yeah, thanks for holding tight, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.